Hi guys, it's Ian Coleman. It is Wednesday the 8th of June 2021. I'm looking at sterling against yen. I'm actually looking at a counter trend trade to the upside. Let's get to the chart so we can discuss. First chart I want to highlight is yen. Now here I do believe that we're coming towards the end of a sequence. We've got a 261.8% extension down here on the daily chart. We've had some inside days. It highlights sort of the lack of upside momentum, current upside momentum. If we go to this chart, this is what I'm looking to play out, but that last rally up has knocked this 361.8% out of sync, so basically that would have needed to be down here. So we've pushed past there, and we've really, there's a potential for a confluence zone here, so we could see that. But what I'm interested in is this BC leg. Now, my bespoke support on yen is down here at 90.50, so there's ample scope for that BC leg to play out to the downside, I think, before buyers return. So that's given me a mildly negative bias on yen. If we go to sterling, sorry, something sidetracked me then. If we go to sterling, big picture analysis is still to the downside again. We've sort of seen this daily Cipher pattern, and we're pushing, or we have pushed lower. If we go to this time frame, this shows a wedge formation breakout, but we are starting to move to the upside now. One of the reasons why that wedges are not my favoured chart formation is that often you'll move lower in the first wave, which we've talked about. You'll get towards previous support, and what will happen is you'll just push up back through the wedge, and you'll actually make a head and shoulders. So this being the left shoulder, this being the head, and then that being the support level. If we go to this chart, you can see it more clearly. So that's previous swing high. What happens on the second leg, what normally happens is that we get to between 78.6 and 88.6%. So there's ample scope for a move to the upside. So that brings me to sterling yen chart here. Okay, so this is a 1 hour chart. This is an important level, 156.50, because it will form a cipher pattern. If we go here, 156.55 is the top fib of this cipher pattern. Now, remember, we've said this quite a lot. We've said sometimes we get a reaction from the first fib, and then what happens is we push higher and we actually trigger the next fib. So 156.50. If we look at this time frame here, it lines up pretty well with this previous swing high. So possible double bottom. This is a couple of ticks out. Break of this high, and we wouldn't make a cipher pattern until up here. And then I'd expect sellers to return. My prime long entry is at 154.78. I know where my target is. I know where my stop's going to be. It gives me about 6.3 on a risk reward basis. Okay guys, I hope you're well. Take care, and I'll be back soon with some more insights. Many thanks.